Hello guys. Hello guys, this is Space Round Renewal. I am distributed at ASCO Online Academy also level 1 batch 4. We are discussing about topic is AI for homework assistant. So let's start it.
What's up?
Hello Maya, how are you? How was your day going?
I'm good, thanks. Just been hanging out. You know how it is. What's going on with you?
We are discussing about AI for homework assistant. So let's start. Let's dive in. So you are ready?
Yeah, sounds good. I'm ready when you are. What's your first question?
My first question is what is AI for a homework assistant?
AI for homework assistance is basically using artificial intelligence tools to help with schoolwork. Think things like getting explanations on tough topics, brainstorming ideas for essays, getting grammar checks, or even finding research materials. It's like having a virtual study buddy that can help you with different parts of your assignments. Does that make sense?
Yes, nice. Okay, and my next question is how does AI help a student with their homework?
AI helps in a bunch of ways, honestly. For understanding tricky subjects, it can break down complex ideas into simpler terms or give you different explanations until something clicks. For writing, it can help with grammar, suggest better wording, or even brainstorm ideas when you're stuck. It's really good at finding information quickly, too, saving you time when you're researching. Basically, it helps with understanding, writing, and finding the right resources.
Okay, I said my next question is can AI solve math problem? How?
Yeah, AI can definitely help with math problems, especially with word problems. It can break down the steps for you. Some AI tools can even show you the calculation. So it's not just giving you the answer, but showing you how to get there. It's not going to do your whole math test for you, but it can give you the hints and support you need to work it out yourself.
Okay, nice. And my next question is how does AI explain difficult homework questions?
You mean AI? Yeah, that's a good question. It works by understanding the structure of the question, figuring out what it's really asking. Then it pulls from tons of information it's learned to break down the question into smaller parts. It tries to explain things using language that makes sense for your level, not some super complicated textbook language. Basically, it's all about simplification and clarity, taking a tough question and making it way easier to understand.
Okay, nice. And my next question is AI helpful from writing assessment? Why?
I think you mean an essay, right? Yeah, AI is super helpful for writing essays. It can help you brainstorm ideas, outline your points, suggest different ways to phrase things, and even check your grammar and spelling. It's not going to write the whole thing for you, but it can definitely help you get organized and write better.
Okay, nice. And my next question is how does AI provide a step by step solution?
So, when AI provides step by step solutions, it basically breaks down the problem into its smallest parts. Think like this: for math, it'll show each calculation one after another. For other topics, it'll take the whole problem and break it down into first do this, then do that. Finally, you get this answer. It's designed to make the learning process clear by showing each step instead of just giving you the final answer. It helps you understand the process.
Okay, nice. And my next question is can AI help student complete homework fast?
It can definitely speed things up, but it's a bit of a trade off. AI can find information way faster than you searching through books or the internet, and it can help you with calculations or writing drafts quickly. But if you just use it to get answers without actually understanding the work, you might get it done faster, but learn less. So it's good for speeding up research or finding help with specific problems, but you still need to do the actual learning and understanding.
Okay, nice. And my next question is how does AI improve homework quality?
AI can boost the quality of your work by catching mistakes like grammar or spelling errors. It can also help with clarity. It can suggest better wording or more organized arguments. Some AI can even give you feedback on things like how well supported your arguments are or if your writing is clear and convincing. Basically, it helps you polish your work and make sure you've covered everything properly. Does that make sense?
Okay, that makes sense. And my next question is what are the benefits of using AI from homework?
Okay. I think you're asking what are the benefits of using AI for homework?
Yes.
Yeah, using AI has a lot of upsides. It helps you understand tough stuff better, improves your writing, makes research way faster, and can even help with things like math problems step by step. It's like having a tutor or helper who's available whenever you need it. Plus, it can catch mistakes you might have missed and help you feel more confident about your work. Overall, it can make studying more effective and less stressful.
Okay, okay, nice. And my next question is are there any ind- individual okay, nice.
Are
And
there
my next
any
question is, uh,
individual
no. My question is, are there any disadvantages of using AI from homework?
Yeah, there definitely are some downsides. The biggest one is relying on it too much. If you just get AI to do everything, you're not actually learning the material yourself. It can also, give you the wrong answer sometimes, especially if it's not using reliable sources. There are privacy concerns too. You need to be careful about what personal information you're sharing with AI tools. And it's important to remember it's a tool. It shouldn't replace actual learning or thinking for yourself.
Okay, nice. And my next question is, can AI reduce homework still? How?
I'm not sure what that question was. It got a bit garbled in the transcription.
Uh,
Could you maybe rephrase it?
can AI reduce homework stare stairs?
You're asking if AI can reduce. I think you're asking reduce stress. Yeah, it
Yes,
can
yes.
actually help lower stress. Homework can be really overwhelming, but AI can break down big tasks into smaller steps, make difficult concepts easier to grasp, and help you stay organized. It's like having a tool that helps you tackle your work more efficiently, which can definitely reduce stress levels. Does that make sense?
Okay, nice. And my next question is, how does AI help the student understanding mistakes?
AI tools can show you exactly where you went wrong in a problem, like pointing out which step you messed up in a math equation or which grammar rule you broke in an essay. Some tools give you explanations on why your answer was wrong, not just telling you it was wrong. This helps you understand the concept better and avoid making the same mistake next time. It's like having a personal tutor who shows you exactly what you need to work on.
Okay, nice. And my next question is it good to depend complete on AI for homework? Why or why not?
No, it's definitely not good to completely depend on AI for homework. If you always rely on AI to solve your problems or write your essays, you're not actually learning the material yourself. You're missing out on developing those problem solving skills, critical thinking abilities, and real understanding of the subjects you're studying. It's good to use AI as a tool to help you, but you still need to do the actual learning and critical thinking yourself.
Okay, nice. And my next question is how can teacher use AI to How can teacher use AI to check homework?
Okay, you're asking how can teachers use AI to check homework? Yeah, there are a few ways. Some AI tools can automatically grade multiple choice or fill in the blank questions. Others can detect plagiarism or check for grammar and spelling errors in essays. AI can also help teachers identify students who are struggling with certain concepts so they can provide extra help. But it's important to remember AI can't replace a teacher's judgment. It's really about AI helping to make their job easier and more efficient.
Okay, nice. And my next question is, how does AI help in a research-based homeworks?
AI can be a lifesaver for research. It can quickly scan through tons of articles, websites, and data to find relevant information. It can even summarize those sources for you, saving you hours of reading. And some AI tools can help you organize your research, identify patterns, and generate ideas for your paper. It doesn't do the research for you, but it can make the whole process way faster and more efficient.
Okay, nice. And my next question is, how can AI help student in language homework?
AI is awesome for language homework. It can help with translation, though you should always double check with a dictionary or native speaker to make sure the translation's accurate. But more than that, AI can check grammar and vocabulary, suggest better sentence structures, and even help you practice speaking and listening. Some apps can
Okay,
give you feedback on your pronunciation and help you improve your conversation skills. It's like having a
oh,
virtual language tutor.
okay,
Okay.
nice. And my
Got any
next
more questions for me?
next question, my last question is how do you think AI will change the way students do homework in the future? Why?
Yeah, I think AI is going to completely reshape homework. We're already seeing it now, but in the future, I think it'll become way more personalized. AI will understand how each student learns best and tailor assignments accordingly. It'll probably mean less boring memorization and more creative problem solving. Homework could become more interactive, maybe using virtual reality or simulations. But the biggest change, I think it'll shift the focus from just getting answers to actually understanding how to learn and think for yourself, less about what you know, more about how you figure things out.
Okay, so thank you for giving me time, Baya. So guys, this is our AI session with the call Baya. We can meet you again. Allah Hafiz.